Learn English through stories. Once there lived an unusual bird with two heads. It was a real wonder to look at the bird flying, and it was even more wondrous to watch it eat. The bird had the habit of eating delicious food with his right head and ordinary food with his left head. One day the left head asked the right head, "Dear right head, why can't you spare some delicious meals for me to swallow? I too want to taste delicacy." The right head replied, "What is the point, left head? All food is going only to one stomach. You just eat ordinary things." The left head turned very sad. It was a drought season. Food was very rare. There were no animals at sight. The bird saw a wild tree with some fruits. He flew there. The left head sensed that the fruit was poisonous. The right head was feeling just the hunger. It was about to eat the fruit, but the left head stopped it and said, "Stop, right head, you will kill us. This fruit is poisonous. Look below the tree. You will find bones of many animals." The right head looked down to witness the truth. From then on, the right head gave equal chance for the left head also in all things. Moral of the story: Parreality is pain. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.